Hello, dear children. How are you all? Hopefully, you all are happy, healthy, and excited for today's story. Without delay, let's begin. Quickly close your eyes so that you can imagine the entire story like a movie playing in front of your eyes. So, chalo, let's get started. Today's story is about a jungle, a beautiful jungle, and deep inside a lush green jungle where sunlight danced on leaves and birds sang all day, lived many unique creatures, but not everyone in this jungle felt happy. There was a little bat who always hung upside down from the branches. Other birds made fun of her and teased, "Look at you, you can't even sit straight like normal birds." The bat felt embarrassed and wondered why she was not so different. Nearby lived a huge elephant, so heavy that even the ground shook when he walked. Some animals whispered, "He's so big and slow," and the elephant slowly stopped joining gathering. Then there was a bear who loved sleeping for months during winters. Other animals laughed, "He's so lazy. All he does is snore." The bear started feeling ashamed of something he had no control over. A donkey also lived there, who had a very loud voice. Whenever he brayed, everyone covered their ears and mocked him. "You sound terrible," they said. The donkey became quiet and sad. And of course, the jungle also had a cheerful monkey, always jumping, playing tricks, and making silly faces. But instead of enjoying this fun nature, many animals complained, "You are too naughty, too restless." The monkey felt misunderstood. All of them, bat, elephant, bear, donkey, and monkey, began to feel ignored, disrespected, and slowly they developed an inferiority complex. One night, they gathered under a big banyan tree and cried out to God, "Why did you make us like this? Why are we so different?" Just then, something unexpected happened. A small koel flew into the jungle. She was dark in color, and the moment she entered, other birds laughed at her too. Hurt and lonely, she joined the rejected group. When she heard their pain, she gently said, "My dear friends, being different is not the end. It is a new beginning. Life always gives us a fresh start. We just need to find out our strengths." Her comforting words touched their hearts. For the first time, they felt a spark of hope. The koel then suggested, "Let's talk to someone wise, someone who has seen many years of life." So this complete group approached the wise old owl, the most respected bird of the jungle. After hearing their stories, the owl smiled and said, "The solution is right in front of your eyes. Every talent has a place. Why don't you all start a circus? Show the whole world that what makes you special." The idea was magical. Immediately, they began preparing. The donkey became the official announcer because he had the loudest voice. His calls could be heard across the whole jungle. The koel, with the sweet and soothing voice, became the singer of the circus. The monkey, with his funny tricks and jumps, became the joker everybody loved. And the bat, who could hang upside down and can see even in a complete darkness, started performing thrilling aerobics and night stunts that amazed everyone. The elephant, after days of practice, learned to ride a bicycle, and something no other animal could ever imagine. The bear performed a magical wake-up dance after his long nap, which became the audience's favorite act. Soon, their circus became the most popular attraction in the jungle. Animals from far away forests came to watch. The same animals who once made fun of them now stood in long lines just to get a glimpse. The performers were happy not because they were famous, but because they finally understood something beautiful. They realized we were never weak We were never wrong. We were always special. We just needed the right place to shine. The bat proudly said, "If I hang upside down in the circus, that is my magic." The elephant laughed. "My size made me unique, not useless." The donkey smiled. "My loud voice gave success to our show." And the quail reminded them, "Everyone is different, everyone is special. You just have to discover where your uniqueness fits." And this way, their circus was a very strong hit of the jungle. This was our story. Hopefully, you all must have enjoyed the story. Now, what we learned from today's story? What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is every creature in this world is unique. Our differences are not weaknesses, they are hidden strengths. When you discover your true potential and use it in the right place, nothing can stop your success. You should never make fun of others because we don't know how special they truly are. So these are few morals of the story, and we always need to keep them in mind. And please do share this story with your friends, relatives, neighbors, cousins, school friends. Do subscribe to our channel, and tomorrow we will meet with a new story. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.